This is the triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. It is like a watermelon slice. It is like a head. It is like an ice cream cone. This is the square. It has 4 sides. They are all the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is like a present. It is like a cracker. It is like a window. This is the circle. It rolls around and around. 1, 2. It is like a ball. It is like the sun. It is like an orange. This is the rectangle. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is like a book. It is like a door. It is like a building. This is the Pentagon. It has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is like a house. It is like a circus tent. This is the hexagon. It has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is like a honeycomb. It is like a nut.